I'm making this video to show that the RIDGID Octane brushless impact driver is sufficient enough to take off lug nuts. Countless reviews will tell you that it can't, but it can easily, no problem. The torque you're supposed to tighten these nuts to, this is a Jeep Wrangler 2016, according to the manual, is 105 foot-pounds. It doesn't show it, I don't think it will, but maybe you can see, I'm sorry, 100 foot-pounds. So I've got my torque wrench, probably won't see that, but it's set to 100 foot-pounds. We're just going to show you that one of these is tightened to that. Hear that? There. Let's go two of them. Alright. And then I'm going to easily remove just one of them. See that? Look at the other one. They come off with no problem. Again, this is the RIDGID Octane brushless impact wrench. It's got a 1/2 inch drive, I believe, and it came with a 4 amp hour battery, 18 volt. I almost changed tools to a DeWalt or another brand just because all the reviews I saw saying you can't do this. I've got a bunch of RIDGID tools and I'm completely happy with them all, so I didn't want to have to switch. I went ahead and bit the bullet and bought this thing, and as you can see, it does the job.